Uy! Got it now? Hi everyone, my name is Jen. I would like to share the greatest turn lesson or the greatest failure that turn lesson for success as an educator. You know what? Let me just share this to you. This sharing is entitled Learning Leadership Through Obedience and Humility. Early in my teaching journey, I faced situations that tested my character. My supervisor made a decision that I felt wasn't just. Instead of responding with patience and respect, I allowed my emotions to take control. I confronted my boss directly and it turned into a heated conflict. At that moment, I thought I was standing up for what is right. But looking back, I realized I had acted in pride and without wisdom. That wrong decision cost me relationships and even credibility at work. But it also became a turning point. I learned that success as a teacher and school leader is not just about the knowledge, it's not about the competence, but it's about humility, respect, and discernment. There is a right way and time to express our concerns, and it must be done with grace. These experiences reminded me of Ephesians 6:5, which says, "Obey your earthly masters with respect and fear, and with sincerity of heart, just as you would obey Christ." That verse humbled me. It reminded me that my ultimate obedience is to God. And by showing respect, even in a hard situation, I honor Him. Now, I approach any disagreements with humility and prayer. Instead of letting conflict define me, I let Christ guide my responses. That mistake, though even so painful, was instrumental in shaping me into a more grounded and respectful and Christ-centered educator. Guys, thank you for listening. See you next time.